What if your business increased revenue by never missing a lead? What if one intelligent system could handle multiple roles, consistently and effectively? What if your calls, calendar, and customer communication ran 24/7 without manual effort? What if your reviews and online reputation were managed automatically? Because the reality is, running a business today doesn't slow down, it accelerates. Most business owners don't have a marketing problem, they have a labor problem. You and your staff have limits, your business doesn't. Today, this isn't speculation, it's already happening. Companies using AI in their marketing and sales are reporting increased revenue, and 92% of companies plan to increase their investment in AI over the next 3 years. That tells us one thing clearly: AI isn't a trend. It's becoming critical infrastructure for business growth. And just like the internet when it came out, if you don't implement it, your business gets left behind. That's exactly why we built a 24/7 digital employee, the IdaWeb AI assistant. This isn't just software. It works like a full-time employee, without payroll, training, sick days, or turnover. IdaWeb answers every call and captures every lead, day or night. Every call is recorded and transcribed automatically, so nothing is missed and nothing is guessed. Appointments are booked instantly. Customer conversations are tracked. Tasks, notes, and reminders are handled automatically. And everything, calls, texts, transcripts, appointments, and activity flows directly into your IdaWeb CRM and mobile app, giving you complete visibility into your business from one place. Your IdaWeb AI assistant works across your entire operation: receptionist, sales assistant, customer service, operations, reputation management. One assistant, multiple roles, consistent execution, 24/7. Stop running your business manually. Book a demo and watch your business instantly transform with your IdaWeb 24/7 AI assistant today.